There's a couple of deer up here. They keep running away. Hopping through the bean fields. There they are. Ah, there go a couple over there too. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see them. Oh, yep, there they are. Prancing through the beans. Anyhow, I'm walking over here to property across the road from mine because I keep hearing this weird noise, which it sounds kind of like someone banging on a piece of metal, which normally wouldn't be very weird. That wouldn't throw me off at all, except this property is abandoned. They only farm the fields. Nobody's supposed to be back here. I have permission to come back here, so I'm not too worried about it. But it's weirding me out because I keep hearing this boom, and it's not like repeated. It sounds something like, kind of reminds you of someone trying to kick down a door for a second. So, being the person I am, I'm going to come over here and poke around. And I look really, really intimidating in my sneakers and shoes and my really nice Adidas shirt, don't I? Yeah. Well, I am not worried about being intimidating. Anyhow, while I'm walking, I'll tell you guys. So, the weight loss is going weird, actually. It was going good. I was down 9 pounds. I was down about 189. Told you guys that. I'm back up to 182, or 192. And, man, this is really overgrown. So, I'm back up to 192, but I think it's actually more muscle than fat, because the belly's still shrinking. But, my arms are growing, chest is growing. I've been working out hard and heavy. In fact, I measured the other day, and with a good pump from working out, my arms were at about 16 inches. So that's doing pretty good. I'd like to get a little more and still, you know, lose the belly and all that. So that's all going really well. Man, this is really overgrown. Figured I'd take you guys with me just in case somebody popped out and tried to kill me. For one, I have it on film. For two, it's really pretty back here. This is the creek I come, you know, catching bait and stuff. So, it's a really pretty area. And I haven't brought you guys back here in a while. I'm working on other updates still. I heard a noise. Must have been nothing. But yeah, anyhow, so I'm working on another project still. And looks like I can see something. I'm not going to take the camera up there just yet. I got to tie my shoe. So yeah, I've got several projects I'm working on still from last week that I'm editing. Got some mechanic stuff, some more fishing, some just random stuff, you know me. Oh, I've got a new product to review later as well, so I'll let you guys in on that. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off for a minute, tie my shoe, and then I'm going to walk up there, because I can see something, but I can't tell what it is. So, and this zoom is not going to help me at all. So we'll see you guys in a second. Okay. So, I'm going to take you guys with me, and we're going to see if there's a troublemaker up here. But it doesn't look like anybody came in this way. This is really overgrown. I mean, even the tracks that used to be here are gone. So if someone's up here, they came from another area. And somebody has tied that on there. It's been a while though. That's pretty sun bleached. Temperature's dropping. That's kind of nice. It was like 97 degrees today. It's insane. And I've got a bit of a cold or something. I was helping clean out someone's house, and it was kind of dusty and stuff. That kind of irritated me. I don't see anyone up here. I'm not sure what I was seeing. Guess it could have been a deer. See that big orange door, which I do not. Oh, that's a piece of sheet metal, actually. It could just be kids up here messing around. Which, if it is, I'm not going to give them any help. I ain't tearing anything up. When I was a kid, I used to explore abandoned areas as well. Someone was asking me if I ever go to any abandoned areas, and yeah, I go to lots of them. This place has been abandoned for a long time. The old man that lived here died years back, and someone bought the property, but they don't do anything. I mean, the house is decrepit. I went inside it once, and the floor's caved in. It's rotting away. There's several old buildings out here. See, and that fridge wasn't open the last time I was here. In fact, I don't even think it was there. Seems like something I would have noticed. It's an old fridge. Been open for a while. Something made a nest. Hope I don't find any hornets. See, I mean, I'm going to use the camera to look down in here. Oh, that's open. Still, just in case. No, I don't see anything. If there was an animal stuck in there, it could have made the noise. I'm just not seeing anything. Yeah, there's a ladder set up. That might have been there the last time I was here. I don't remember. Let's see. And I'm going to be really mad if a coyote comes out here. I'll shoot it, I guess. I can see trails that are still maintained. But these look like animal trails. This one's shooting right here. It'd have to be deer, coyotes, something big enough to lay down the grass. Gotta watch my step, don't want to find a rattlesnake. I don't remember that ladder being set up like that. Hello? Anybody in here? Hopefully Slenderman doesn't pop out. Slenderman's gonna get 6 shots of 44 to the face. I mean, we might be able to find some good snakes in here. Whoa, what was that? That was a mouse. Okay, there was a mouse. He jumped at me. A lot of junk in here. A lot of corn cobs, all that broken glass. I'd say some kids have been in here busting that up, but that was here last time. Well, if there's mice, there's snakes. Man, the camera makes it look a lot brighter. It's dark for me. Ooh, I got my flashlight. All kinds of trash everywhere. Ah, crap. Front of my flashlight fell off. I'll have to put that back together. Okay. Guess I won't turn that on. You guys hang on a second. I'm going to see if I can get the flash to turn on the camera. Okay, while the camera was off, I was turning the flash on, which did work, by the way. Something was moving right back in there. Not in the barn, out in the weeds. That could be a deer, it could be anything. I don't see any snakes yet. Any bats? Sometimes in these old barns you'll find bats hanging around. They didn't make it to the cave the night before. Man, it is hot. I'm starting to sweat. Ew. I don't know what's in there, and I'm not going to move stuff to find out. Well, I just heard a squirrel over there. Squirrel wouldn't be making that noise if there was a person. Let's see if anything else pops out from under here. I don't see nothing. Shame to see these old barns. I got a buddy, he's big into old barns. He might want to come check this one out sometime. I'll take some pictures before I leave for them. This is an old one. That's not modern wood that this was built with. Old barn. I'm not even going to take a swing in the dark on how old. I'm not hearing that noise anymore. That's weird. Well, I can see up on that roof, all that white, that's bird crap. Birds have been up there. Probably turkey vultures too. There's another really old barn. I'm not going to walk back there because it's a real pain to get through, and I'm probably already covered in ticks. That barn has a 1963 ski boat sitting in it still. It was there last time I was in there, and no one's been back here getting it out, I promise that. There's one way to get that out of here, and it's the way we came, and ain't nobody driving across it. Alright, I'm going to shut off, take some pictures, send my buddy, and I'll take you with me when I leave. See you guys in a minute. Alright, well, I was going to leave, but there's some other barns back here that I'm going to go look at. There's kind of a trail back here, so we'll be watching. Yeah, that old barn back there. But that one's just an old corn crib, actually. So I'm not going to even bother going back there. More trails going in there. Yeah, we're going to head out. We'll just go on out of here. Like I said, I know some of you guys would be like, oh my goodness, what if someone was back there? Well, like I said, if Slenderman popped out, I've got my gun on me. I'm not really worried about it. And I'm a very good shot with my gun. I actually should. I thought about it. Doing more shooting videos for you guys. But YouTube's kind of weird on that. So I don't really want to have a lot of gun videos up because they get all mad about it. Their rules are a little iffy. So I wouldn't want to get a strike on my channel or something for something stupid. But I think most of my shooting videos would be fine, just doing target practice or whatever. Demo Ranch is still up, so, and 22 Plankster and all them. So I guess as long as I don't do anything terribly chaotic, they might not get me. Of course, I'm not near as big of a channel either. But well, anyhow, man, it is hot. There's the barn. I'm going to get another quick picture, so hang on a minute. Okay, I got my picture. I don't see nothing. It was weird though, I'm telling you, it sounded just like someone take against a piece of metal going boom, boom. It was really loud, I could hear it all the way up in my house. At first I didn't think anything of it, but, I mean, it was over an hour later I come out and I was hearing it again. I don't hear anybody screaming for help. I was a little worried because you can smell something dead in the air. So I didn't want to find a dead body. That'd be pretty unpleasant. I'm thinking the dead thing's probably a deer that got hit by a car. That happens a lot. There are bugs everywhere. You can see the deer trail right there going back into that clearing. This place is a lot easier to navigate in the winter. All this stuff is mowed down. I mean, I could literally see this trail. There could literally be a coyote sitting 3 feet in there and I wouldn't see him. Coyotes won't usually attack, but it's always a possibility. I'm more worried about a weasel than a coyote. Weasels are mean. Or a beaver. Beavers are mean too. Alright. Now, see, my dogs are barking again. It's got me a little weirded out. And the guy stopped by my house earlier wanting to rent the hay fields out to put cattle in. That was just a little strange to me, but I wasn't too worried about that. Looked him up online. Oh well. I know these videos aren't for everyone. Some people like to see me doing something more exciting, but it's my channel, and I'll do my vlogs the way I want. Oh, if you're still watching, I'm still thinking I'm going to take the cat channel down. It's not doing too great, and I'm getting kind of tired of messing with it. So, if you guys like seeing the cat videos, let me know. Maybe I'll keep it up. I haven't decided yet. Look how beautiful that is. Sunset. Alright, I'm going to go home and have a beer. I'm hot. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Ooh. Yeah, here's where I was mean. Nobody's going to drive across this. I just about went through a board. So, I'll watch my step. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. And as always, have a good one. See you next time.